Daphne, happy 7th birthday. May all your dreams come true.
Wow, thank you. For the 7 balloons, starting with Aisel Andre Marquez. Wow, ang haba. Okay, what else?
Happy birthday, Ate Daphne.
Wow, happy birthday and I love you.
Stay good and finish your studies.
Correct. Finish your studies because it's important. Alright?
Happy birthday, Daphne. Sana lahat ng mga winish nila sa'yo mag-grant. Tapos, be a good girl and study hard. Love you.
Thank you, Ate Jana. And moving on to LJ Barbosa.
Wish you are the best. Be a good girl. God bless.
Wow! Naka-pink din. Ang haba ng wish niya.
Good health.
Good health and
Happy birthday.
happy birthday! Okay.
Sana lumaki siyang matalino and good.
Wow! Matalino and good health for Daphne.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Wish you alphabet. I love you.
Thank you, Annabelle! Okay, please stand beside Daphne for a picture. Okay, so we've had a lot of kids here giving their gifts to Daphne. So now let's call on the adults to give their symbolic gifts and their well wishes to Daphne. So let's start with Tita Cecil Panganiban. Gift daw to ni Tita Cecil kasi may important siyang pupuntahan. So sininang na lang magpe-present, okay? Ito daw, symbol daw ng pagiging baby mo pa rin sa paningin niya. Kahit daw 7 ka na, baby ka pa rin ni Tita Cecil. Okay? Happy birthday! Wow! So this is your third Barbie so far. Okay, here. And from Ninang Malu, this symbolizes your pagiging fashion fanatic. So binili ka ni Ninang ng a few collection ng Disney princess para matuwa ka naman. Sana magustuhan mo. And study hard, make your mama and papa proud. Okay? Happy birthday! Wow! So what's your gift po for Daphne?
Bag.
Bag. And what do you think it symbolizes? Bakit po bag?
Kasi yung mga bata, di ba mahilig sila sa bag?
Okay. And perfect for the school year. Wow.
Ang wish ko kay Daphne, happy 7th birthday, saka good health, be a good girl, saka always love your parents and kuya dyan.
Wow. Tama. Love your parents and love your big brother. So, Nina, what's your gift po for Daphne? Si Dora to eh. Si Dora! Wow! Wow! Ang laki ni Dora. Bakit po si Dora?
Kasi huggable si Daphne eh. Cute. Kaya si Dora napili ko siya.
Huggable Daphne and huggable Dora. And what's your wish for Daphne?
Wish ko lang good health, tsaka lumaki siyang mabait, tsaka lucky parents niya and your brother. Yan lang.
Okay, thank you, Nina. So, huggable Dora for the huggable Daphne. Okay. That's okay. Now that we got the 7 special gifts for Daphne, let's call on Tita Annette, Tita Ajay, Tita Sel.
May all the wishes they have wished for you come true. Happy birthday, Daph. I love you.
Wow, thank you, Tita. sa Diyos at saka sana matupad lahat ng wish mo. Happy birthday ulit. I love you, Dap. Thank you, mga titas and mga ninangs. And let's come here forward for a group picture.